So today in this video, we are going to see about the sub-packages. It is nothing but a package inside a package is called as sub-packages. Why we are doing this? To categorize the packages to handle easily. So we have a standard form for defining a package. It is first we have to mention the domain name, next the company name, and next the package name. For example, com.java.point.core. So this is a way of mentioning the packages and sub-packages. Now let's see how we are sending a class file to another directory or drive. Normally when we are running a program or compiling a program, a class file will be created and it will be saved in the same folder. But here we are going to consider a scenario where we are going to consider this a.java file. That class file is going to be saved in this C file, C drive. Okay. Now let's see how we are going to do this. Let me show the program what we are going to do. That is, we have assigned a package name as mypack, and I have just mentioned the public class scenario, and we have given the output as welcome to package. So what we are going to do is, we have two methods to run and compile this program so that the class file will be moved to the C drive. So it is, to compile, we have to move to the directory where we have saved the file and to the folder. We know the compile code is Java C, and the place where we have want to create the file. And we have two types of run method. One is setting the class path and second one is normal run method. That is Java mypack.simple. So these are the two methods to compile and run the program for this class. Next is, we have two types of loading the class files way. One is temporary and another one is permanent. So temporary is nothing but setting the class path in the command prompt. As we seen earlier, we are going to set the class path in the command prompt itself. Next one is permanent, where we are going to set the class path in the environmental variables. That is nothing but we have to create the jar file that contains all the class files and copy that jar file in a folder so that it will be the permanent method of loading the class files. Clear? Hope it is clear now. Let's see the other parts in the next video. Thank you.